A stranger emails me at 11 p.m. wanting to work with me and gets a personalized response in under 2 minutes completely automatically. But before we dive into exactly how this works, let me know in the comments, how long does it usually take you to respond to new leads? Are you team within an hour or team, what day is it again? Hey there, I'm Yvonne from AskYvi.com, and let me tell you about the automation that has literally saved me thousands of dollars in lost opportunities. And I know I'm not alone in the struggle. Please tell me I'm not the only one who used to check their email 24/7, terrified I'm gonna miss following up with a potential client. Every single inquiry gets handled professionally, personally, and immediately, whether I'm on a plane, on vacation, or deep in client work. Most people think this advanced automation requires a massive tech team and tech stack. But I'm about to show you exactly how to build this step by step. Let's talk about that trust crisis that's killing your potential partnerships and loses you leads. Studies show that companies that respond within 5 minutes are 100 times more likely to connect with leads. None of your leads wants to wait 5 days for you to realize a lead came in and you finally reply and grace them with your personality. We don't want to be attached to our business 24/7, and potential leads want to be taken care of. With that, let's dive into the multi-channel strategy that captures leads from everywhere. Whether it's your website, your contact form, social media DMs, email inquiries, networking events, every single touch point needs to feed into one unified system. No more leads falling through the cracks because they came from an unexpected source and you didn't even see them. And here's where the magic happens. A simple ClickUp form. First, your forms need to qualify leads automatically. Ask the right questions up front. Budget range, timeline, specific needs. This isn't about being nosy. This is about serving them the best way possible from day one. Second, every form submission creates a task in ClickUp, and with source tracking, priority level, and automatic due dates, you now suddenly don't have any manual data entry anymore. You are not forgetting where leads came from, and everything is sourcing into one single location. Now for the email intelligence that changes everything. Here's what most people don't realize about automated email responses. What do you think is that secret ingredient that makes them feel personal instead of just a template and robotic? I'll let you guess. It's a secret context-aware automation. It is not just blah, hey, great to meet you. No, context-aware and personalized automation. We can forward Gmail through make processes and every incoming request, extract key information, and create personalized responses based on the lead source, the inquiry type, even the language they use. In my most recent webinar, I walked through the specific automation and how we bring all of this together. Let's go check it out. We do have a couple of automations and forms. If you look at my AskYvi.com contact page, you actually see a lead form in there. So this list, there is a lot of different ways how people could end up in here. And my contact form is one of those. So let me just show you really quick. If we are going to AskYvi.com, contact, I love ClickUp forms, consultant request, because for me to make a informed decision if I can help you or if I should send you somewhere else, I need some information. So I have it all ready to go right here. Who is the decision maker? What's your problems? How big is your team? Are you using a project management tool? And yes, there's quite a lot of questions, but these questions allow me to literally have a 20-minute discovery call and sign clients, because I know exactly what's already happening in their business before I even jump on a call with them. Through this form, again, this is one way. Through this form, they are coming into my leads list right in here. And what happens automatically in here? The moment they come in here, an automation runs. So first of all, when they're being added, task is being created, and you can choose how this task is being created. I set the start date. That allows me to know exactly when they reached out to me the first time. So I can see, great, I started talking with them 5 months ago and they're still not a signed client. Why are they not a signed client yet? That's the reason why I want to have a start date. It then changes the due date to 3 days after trigger. Probably actually should be 2 days, because you don't want to let a potential client wait 3 days. And it assigns it to me. That now means it's on my plate. I am taking responsibility of it because I am assigned to it and I have a due date to it. So ClickUp is going to be, have you emailed them? Have you? The nice thing is I don't even need to email them, because the moment this task is created, because we have an email custom field in here, when a task is created and it is the ClickUp VC program custom field, drop down field. So it tells me, cool, it came from the VC program. You can do all sources or you can do forms based on your use case scenario. What then happens is we are sending an email. I don't even need to do, and I'm literally having fun with this. In this specific case, let me walk you through the specific use case in this moment so you understand all the possibilities here. For this specific inquiry, they are not coming through the form. They're actually coming through my ClickUp partner page. Somebody clicked on my post in there that says, hey, you can work with AskYvi. She is a verified partner and ClickUp consultant. And they said, send Evie an email, and I get an email in my Gmail inbox. That email comes in and it triggers in Gmail to forward it to a webhook, and make.com takes that information and plugs it into my ClickUp. This is how this task was created. So a VC, through the VC portal, and information came in. They said, hey, we found you on ClickUp. I want to work with you. Some magic is happening and it pops into my ClickUp. This is how this task was created. Now, why I wanted you to know that, because it's a specific use case and you can build different automations for different use cases, how these people are coming in here. In this case, all the automation and the magic that happened to create this task also told the task, this is a VC program lead. Now with that, I can specifically build the email to reply back to them and say, hey, thank you so much in your interest in working with me. We've received your request. Looking to help you to streamline your ClickUp setup, all the things, book your discovery call here. Now the fun thing is we've received your request as follows. They're putting a description in there of what they want. I added that into a ClickUp custom field, which now means I can give it back to them. They can see in their email what they told me they need help with. A little bit of follow-up. This is how we help. You don't always need me. There's a YouTube channel. If you need just customer support, please email help@clickup.com. One thing I do have fun with this. I have a note in here that says, hey, this is my ClickUp bot. This has been automated. ClickUp took care of this for me. And I literally tell them I'm having fun with this. Hey, this is my Evie bot. She just emailed you. How do you like it? Now that you've seen the technical setup, let's talk about the personality factor, because automation without being personable, without speaking to your lead, is just fancy spam and is not going to get you anywhere. So how do you show your personality in business communication? Are you team professional and polished, or are you team quirky and conversational? I'd love to hear your style. Put it down below. Professional or quirky? I'll be honest, finding the balance between automated efficiency and authentic connection was my biggest struggle. It was the hardest lesson in my business communication, I'm still working on that. I'm still working this balance of business, professional, and the quirky German that I am. Please tell me I'm not alone in those. What I've learned through my work is the key is to be transparent about your automation. I literally say, hey, it's Evie's chatbot, or hey, it's ClickUp's AI bot that's helping Evie be more productive. I say it in my automated responses, and people appreciate the honesty, and it sets expectation while keeping it human and fun. If you've already started automating your leads in your business, share your wins no matter how small they seem to you. I want to celebrate you. But here's what I really want to know. What's your biggest lead magnet challenge right now? What are you struggling with most when working on creating leads? Is it volume? Is it follow-up? Is it organization? Or maybe it's something completely else? Your answers might expire just the next video. If you are building a business that's efficient and human-centered, you are my people. Hit subscribe and join the community here on YouTube. And next week, I'm diving into client onboarding automation that connects seamlessly to this lead system. Make sure you are subscribed and hit the bell so you don't miss that video coming up.